we are discuss about the unit 2 characteristics of transistor. First of all, two types of characteristics available. First one is the static characteristics, next one is the dynamic characteristics. We are discuss about the static characteristics. The performance of characteristics instrument, static and dynamic. Static characteristics is the characteristics obtained by the one form or another form of a process is called as the calibration. Is the main characteristics. What are the main characteristics in static characteristics? Accuracy, precision, sensitivity, linearity, drift, static error, dead zone. First of all, we discuss about the accuracy. It is the measure closenesses with the instrument measure of true value of the quantity is called as the accuracy. Is the precision means it measure the repeatability of measurement is called as the precision. Instrument can be used very inaccurate value of precision. Sensitivity means it can be measured the change in reading of an instrument for a given change in measurement quality. It is called as the sensitivity. Resolution is the smallest change in measurement quantity that will be produced to dedicatable change in instrument reading is called as the resolution. Next we are discuss about the error. Error is the deviation from the true value and measurement quality. It is called as the error. Represented as the absolute quality or as a percentage. The absolute error is defined as the difference between expected value and true value of quantity is measurement value of quantity is called as the error. Absolute error is equal to xc minus xm. xm means expected value and true value measurement value quantity. So absolute error is difference between the expected value and the true measurement value is called as the absolute error. So xc minus xm. xc is the expected value, xm is the measurement value. Is the range. Range means is the limit of magnitude values. For example of measurements, x ammeter reading to 0 to minus 1 milliamps is called as the range. Next we are discuss about the span. Span means algebraic difference for upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is considered as the minus 10 milliamps. Lower limit is considered as the minus 10 milliamps. Upper limit is considered as the plus 10 milliamps. Is the galvanometer span is used as the 20 milliamps. So upper limit, lower limit is considered as the span. Limit of magnitude is compared as the range. Error means measurement value and true value is the difference is called as the error. Next we are discuss about the dead zone. Is the largest change in input quantity which no change in output is called as the dead zone. So no changes is occurred as the output. So small changes will be changes in input quantity. Output is not changed. Next we are discuss about the threshold. Is the increased very gradually. Minimum value below is the no output changes can be deducted at the threshold value. Next we are discuss about the significant figure. Is the number of significant figure indicating the precision of the instrument. That can be all value will be recorded the significant figures. Next we are discuss about the static sensitivity. Is the output voltage divided by input voltage is called as the static sensitivity. Del y naught divided by del xi. Infinite change in output divided by infinite change in input. So reverse sensitivity or deflection ratio. For example of reverse option of static sensitivity, y naught by xi. Now reverse operation means xi by y naught is the input changes divided by output changes. So next we can discuss about the incremental sensitivity for slope of the directions. Linearity. Maximum deviation plotted the transistor responds to the specified straight line. The non-linearity is equal to maximum deviation of the output from the identical straight line divided by full scale deflection into 100. Next we are discuss about the hysteresis. The maximum difference any part of the output reading can be obtained during the one duration cycle is called as the hysteresis. For input output, for x-axis provide the input, y-axis provide the output. So both axes we can be maximum difference between part of the output reading ranges we called as the hysteresis. Next, we have discussed about the dynamic characteristics. Dynamic, we have the three types of